Here is a more detailed, exam-ready expansion of each heading for Dantrolene. Hashtag Dantrolene, detailed pharmacology. 1. Basic information, expanded. Generic name, Dantrolene sodium. Drug class, direct-acting skeletal muscle relaxant, not centrally acting like many others. Brands, Dantrium, Revanto, forms, capsules, 25 milligrams, 50 milligrams, 100 milligrams. IV powder, requires reconstitution with sterile water. Special note, only muscle relaxant that acts directly on skeletal muscle. Nat 2, definition, expanded. Dantrolene is a unique muscle relaxant that reduces skeletal muscle contraction by interfering with excitation-contraction coupling in muscle fibers. Unlike drugs like diazepam or baclofen, it does not act on the brain or spinal cord. 3. Mechanism of action, expanded. Targets RYR1, ryanodine receptor type 1, in skeletal muscle, prevents release of CA-quartbine from sarcoplasmic reticulum. Without calcium, actin and myosin cannot interact, no contraction. Key effects: muscle tone, spasm intensity, prevents hypermetabolic crisis in malignant hyperthermia. Important clinical insight: in malignant hyperthermia, excessive calcium causes muscle rigidity, hyperthermia, acidosis. Dantrolene reverses this by blocking calcium release. Number 4, pharmacokinetics, expanded. Absorption, oral absorption, 70%, peak plasma levels, 3 to 6 hours. Distribution, crosses placenta and enters breast milk. Protein binding, moderate. Metabolism, extensively metabolized in the liver, produces active metabolites. Elimination, half-life 8 to 9 hours, longer in liver disease, excreted mainly in urine. Clinical relevance, hepatic metabolism, risk of hepatotoxicity, dose adjustment needed in liver impairment. NESHR 5, uses expanded. Primary uses: 1. Chronic spasticity, cerebral palsy, stroke, multiple sclerosis, spinal cord injury. 2. Malignant hyperthermia, life-threatening anesthetic reaction. Other uses off-label: neuroleptic malignant syndrome, severe muscle rigidity in ICU. Indications, expanded. Long-term management of upper motor neuron disorders, emergency treatment of malignant hyperthermia crisis, prevention of recurrence in susceptible patients. Number 7, contraindications, expanded. Absolute, active liver disease, hepatitis, cirrhosis, hypersensitivity to drug. Relative, severe pulmonary disease, cardiac impairment, elderly due to weakness risk. Number 8, precautions before taking, monitoring, baseline and periodic LFTs, monitor muscle strength, watch for respiratory depression. High-risk groups, women 35 years, hepatotoxicity risk, long-term therapy patients. Lifestyle precautions, avoid alcohol, liver damage risk, avoid driving initially, sedation. Number 9, how to use. Oral use, start low and titrate slowly, take consistently at same time daily. IV use, emergency, rapid IV push in malignant hyperthermia, requires reconstitution, large volume dilution. Important, do not abruptly increase dose, gradual titration reduces side effects. 10, dosing information, spasticity, adults. Initial 25 milligrams per day, increase every 7 days. Max 400 milligrams per day, divided doses. Malignant hyperthermia. Initial 2.5 milligrams per kilogram IV, repeat every 5 to 10 minutes until controlled. Maintenance 1 milligrams per kilogram every 4 to 6 hours. Pediatric dosing, weight-based 11. Missed dose, overdose, expanded. Missed dose, take ASAP if remembered early, skip if near next dose. Overdose signs: severe muscle weakness, respiratory depression, coma. Management: supportive care, airway and breathing support. Number 12, stop or avoid taking. Stop immediately if jaundice, yellow eye skin, persistent fatigue or weakness, dark urine, severe diarrhea. Avoid if no clinical improvement after 45 days, liver enzymes significantly elevated. Number 13, side effects, expanded. Common: drowsiness, weakness, dizziness, diarrhea. Serious: hepatitis can be fatal. Respiratory depression, pleural effusion rare. Long-term risk: liver toxicity increases with dose and duration. Number 14, vital information, expanded. Drug of choice for malignant hyperthermia. Only drug that acts peripherally on muscle, requires strict liver monitoring. High doses, severe muscle weakness. Number 15, drug interactions, expanded. Dangerous interactions: calcium channel blockers, e.g. verapamil, hyperkalemia plus cardiac collapse. Other interactions: CNS depressants, sedation, alcohol, liver toxicity, estrogens, hepatotoxicity. 16. Drug comparison expanded. Feature dantrolene, baclofen, diazepam. Site, muscle, spinal cord, brain. Sedation, low, moderate, high. Special role, malignant hyperthermia, anxiety, spasm. Risk, liver toxicity, CNS depression, dependence. Key point, dantrolene equals peripheral action, others will central action. Number 17, patient teaching. Detailed and exam-oriented. Patient education is very important because dantrolene has serious risks, especially liver toxicity, and requires careful use. 1. How to take the medicine. Take exactly as prescribed by your doctor. Do not increase or decrease the dose on your own. Take at the same time each day for better effect. Can be taken with or without food. Prefer with food if stomach upset occurs. Adherence importance. Do not skip doses unnecessarily. Regular intake is required for effective control of muscle spasticity. Do not stop suddenly without medical advice. I have 3. Activity and safety advice. May cause drowsiness and kamzori weakness. Avoid driving, operating heavy machinery, activities requiring alertness, initial phase. And a 4. Alcohol and lifestyle restrictions. Avoid alcohol completely, increases liver damage risk, enhances sedation. 5. Liver monitoring, very important. Go for regular liver function tests, LFTs, especially important during long-term therapy. 6. Warning signs, report immediately. Tell the doctor if you notice yellowing of skin, eyes, jaundice, dark-colored urine, persistent nausea or vomiting, severe tiredness, loss of appetite. These may indicate liver damage. 7. Muscle weakness awareness. Some weakness is expected. Report if severe weakness, difficulty in walking, trouble breathing. 8. Drug interaction awareness. Inform doctor about all medicines you are taking, especially heart medicines, sedatives, herbal products. 9. Special situations. Inform doctor if pregnant or planning pregnancy, breastfeeding, having liver disease. 10. Before surgery. Always inform doctor anesthetist that you are taking dantrolene, important in case of malignant hyperthermia risk. 11. Missed dose advice. Take as soon as remembered. Skip if close to next dose. Do not double the dose. 12. Storage instructions. Store at room temperature. Keep away from moisture and heat. Keep out of reach of children. Quick patient teaching mnemonic. Dantro safe. D. Don't skip doses. A. Avoid alcohol. N. Notify liver symptoms. T. Take as prescribed. R. Regular LFT tests. O. Observe weakness. S. Safety. No driving initially. A. Alert doctor before surgery. F. Follow drug instructions. E. Educate about side effects. Thank you. Have a nice day.